Hello friends, now we are going to see how to calculate crash time and crash cost. And these are all the formulas you have to remember. Normal time is nothing but critical path time. Difference in time means normal time minus crash time. Cost slope equals to crash cost minus normal cost by normal time minus crash time. And you can remember this formula by starts with CC and crash are opposite. Here crash cost crash time and the remaining are normal, but both costs will appear up and both times will appear down, means crash cost minus normal cost by normal time minus crash time. And these are crashing means at what time it will be crashed, total normal cost plus difference in time into cost slope. And these all you can see are formulas, you have to remember this. And if you can understand when we go for the problem. Next, this is the problem you can see, and this is the question. These are nothing but the notes that 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 3 to 5, 3 to 6, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. And normal time, normal cost, critical time, critical cost for these activities. And here they are going to ask find out optimal crash cost and crash time. First, you are going to draw the network diagram 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 2 to 4, 3 to 5 and 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. These are all the paths and those are connected. And here the cost is a normal cost they have mentioned. We have to mention. Next, first to find the crash cost and crash time, we have to find the critical path. To find the critical path, you can see my another video using forward and backward analysis. Uh, these are explained in my previous video, you can see. And after this you will get the critical path, that is e1 e2 e3 e4 e5 e6. Means it is 1 to 2 2 to 3 3 to 4 4 to 5 5 to 6, and these all are normal costs are added, means we get 38. It is total normal time. And normal cost means these all are normal costs are given in the question itself. These are all normal costs are given. What our path is 1 to 2 2 to 3 3 to 4 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. Only these paths are considered, so these normal costs are getting added. Therefore we get normal cost as, if we added there we will get 355. Mm. Next, crashing time for critical activity. To calculate critical time, uh, to critical time we only got these six activities in the critical path, so we are only going to consider these six activities. Difference in time means what are the change in time, means normal time minus critical time. This normal time and critical time are given in the question. And if we do normal time minus critical time, we will get 2 3 1 2 2. This all difference time is 10. Hmm. Cost slope you have to calculate with the help of cost slope only. We will get which is going to crash at which time. Cost slope formula I already said, crash cost minus normal cost by normal time minus crash time. These four values are given in the question itself, and if you substitute for 1 to 2, those values are different. 2 to 3, those values are different. And in this way, if we calculate it, we will get the least will going to crash the first, next second position, next third position, next fourth, next fifth. Next, we can have the crashing formula as total normal cost plus difference in time into cost slope. Means first crashing equals to normal total normal cost, means total normal cost equals to 355, we get as normal cost. So after normal cost only it is going to crash, means 355 plus difference in time. As it is going to crash first, here you can get 2 as difference in time. So 2 into slope cost is 10 means if we calculate it we will get 375. And coming to second crashing, this 375 answer is 375 is going to be the normal cost of, so we have to calculate 375 plus, as second is going to crash this, it is difference is 2 into next, this slope cost is 20, this is 415. Hence in this way you can calculate the crashing times. And to find the optimum crashing cost, we have to calculate this. Fifth crashing cost is, this is the last crashing cost, this is 590, and before crashing we have got normal cost of 355. I mean, when we calculate optimum crashing cost, it is nothing but before crashing cost minus after crashing cost, after crashing cost minus before crashing cost, it is a 235. When we calculate optimum crashing time, it is critical path time, means we get critical path time as total time, nothing but 38. We have calculated as 38 minus total difference in time. Total difference in time is, we got 10, means if we added these all difference times we get 10. So if we calculate this we got as 28, and this is enough. And the optimum crashing time is 28 and the optimum crashing cost is 235. If we want crashing activities, there is another formula, it is no need, and they never ask this. Optimum crashing cost by total number of crashing, mean it is nothing but optimum crashing cost is 235 by total number of crashing 5. 5 means here, how can he take 5, means 5 crashes takes place, so we can write as 5, it is nothing but 47 approx. Conclusion, after crashing time, enter project duration of project is reduced to 28 days, because optimum crashing time is 28, because it is reduced to 28 days, and crashing activities are 235 by 5. Thank you.